experiencing issues connecting to Fortnite, the first step is to determine if the problem is widespread or isolated to you. Check Epic Games' official Fortnite status page. This page provides real-time information on server status, including planned maintenance and any reported outages. Major websites like Down Detector also track user-reported problems. A surge in reports often indicates a widespread outage. Keep in mind that temporary glitches can also happen, so give it a few minutes before assuming the worst. If the Fortnite status page shows servers are operational, the issue likely lies with your own connection. Start by restarting your router and modem. Ensure your internet connection is stable and that no other devices are heavily using bandwidth. Check your platform's network connection. PlayStation Network or Xbox Live may be experiencing their own outages. Finally, verify that your Fortnite game files are not corrupted by attempting a game file verification through the Epic Games launcher. If problems persist, contact your internet service provider for assistance.